Welcome under the dump truck today. This is our 1958 Chevy Viking 60 dump truck. We've been working underneath, trying to take care of some minor issues. And today we're going to work underneath this side of the, it's the drinker side of the cab. There's a little bit of surface rust on some of these things. So we're going to go ahead and use a wire brush, some rust neutralizer, and spray it with some undercoat. That'll work. Now, most of this is in pretty good shape. You can see some of the original green paint here. I guess that's from a previous time. There is a cracked fitting on this bracket right here. I don't know what we're going to do about that. I don't think we're going to do anything about it right now. I think we're just going to hit this with a wire wheel and see what happens. Pretty good. Let's try the whirligig. Luckily, there's not a lot of this to do. There's just a little bit of stuff underneath there. Oh yeah, see that? See that big old piece of, I guess it's primer and paint, but it's coming off pretty easy. Try not to throw stuff back in my eyeball. So I can hear you guys saying now, DP, I thought you said this thing was restored. Well, you know, there's various stages of restoring something. And this one is, well, it's a dump truck, you know. It always needs something. Let's work over this way a little more. I'm mostly worried about this rocker panel because there's loose paint up in here. And it looks like it hasn't been touched in 100 years. All right, so that's the front wheel up here. This is that rocker panel. And it looks worse than it is. You can see right here, we have it ground down to fresh metal, a little bit of undercoating, all the way back here to the corner. Knocked a lot of that loose scale off. There have been some repairs here. Looks like we have a little wasp nest trying to grow up in here. Underneath this floorboard looks pretty good. Again, a lot of little surface rust, a little bit of flaking undercoat. But I think we're going to scratch that a little bit better. Then we're going to hit it with some of this Loctite rust neutralizer. I don't know if it's good or not, but that's what we're going to use. So this rust neutralizer says it converts light rust into a paintable surface. Now, I don't know anything about this stuff. But I do know when you spray it, it turns the rust black. And typically, that's a good thing. Turning that iron oxide into I guess a black iron oxide. We don't know. All right, that looks like enough rust treatment. We're going to let all this stuff dry. And with any luck, all this brown rust will turn more blackish looking. Probably not. We're just going to shoot it with undercoat and call it good enough. So you can see the mess. This is all the stuff that came out from underneath the truck as we're wire brushing and, you know, stuff like that. Now we're going to use a little bit of blue tape to tape around the bottom of the rocker panel so we don't overspray it too bad. We're not going to go full on paper in or nothing. A couple rows of blue painter's tape should be more than adequate. Looks like this corner was welded up pretty good. I don't know if they prepped it well before they did that. But we're not gonna worry about it. We're just gonna cover this edge the best we can. I'm leaving about a 1/16 of an inch exposed here, right along this edge. I'm going to let that turn black if it wants to, because I don't want any rust coming around that edge. Let's see if we can get this camera put in a better spot. Oh my goodness. My arms are too long to be under here. Actually, I think I'm going to cover that entire edge. I don't want any overspray coming around that corner. All right, it looks like all of our rust spots have turned a nice dark blackish color. So that's pretty good. Let's get to painting. All right, you guys have a pretty good spot there. We're just gonna grab our rattle can and our light and get to shooting. Ooh, I don't like this stuff. It is way thicker than I was expecting, which I guess is good for an undercoat. But it is a messy thing to shoot. Might have been better with just some straight up black paint. I don't know. I'm not liking this stuff. I may shoot it with some flat black afterwards. Now this stuff is blowing out everywhere. Nasty. Now we have to go with our left hand. Really want to paint those body mounts in case I have to get that taken apart. Sure, this doesn't great to breathe. All right, let me get you guys under here and look at it real close. So starting up here by the front wheel, there was some weld repairs in this corner. Looks like we got that coated pretty well. You can see the weld repair right here in the corner. That was the footwell. There must have been some leakage down in there. Got that rocker panel coated pretty heavily. I don't know if that's good or bad. Did we get all the way up in there? Maybe we need to shoot some more on the back side of that bracket. Back here in the back of the cab corner. That's where they had a repair before. Looks like we got it coated pretty good. All right, the next step is I have to go to the paint store, see if I can get this orange paint matched. I also have to go to the recycle center. But you guys don't have to hang out and watch that. Get outside, do something fun. Come back and tell me about it.